Nomadix, bringing connected experiences to life. Nomadix is the only provider to commercially productize Passpoint for hospitality. Nomadix Passpoint provides a secure, seamless, and continuous connected experience for visitors. Guests only need to download their profile to their device once, and they will stay connected throughout their stay anywhere across the property. Guests are automatically authenticated when they return to the same hotel or any of the brand's Passpoint-enabled properties worldwide. Nomadix Passpoint also enables guests to stay connected at affiliated locations, such as convention centers and coffee shops. Nomadix Passpoint allows hotels to create a personalized guest experience through advertising and upselling. Why is this beneficial for hotels? Secure, fast hotel Wi-Fi is still the #1 driver of guest satisfaction. Ease of connection further decreases calls to the front desk. The addition of personalization, advertising, and upsell makes this a must-have Wi-Fi solution. Leading brands trust us. Nomadix Passpoint is quickly becoming a favorite in the hospitality industry thanks to its exceptional features, benefits, and ease of use. Nomadix. We are your single-source supplier for all your personalized connectivity and digital engagement needs. Let us help you bring connected experiences to life.